I'm glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Mercedes CLS class from the C218 generation, produced between 2010 and 2018. This elegant four-door coupe is renowned for its sleek design that blends luxury with sporty performance, making it a standout in the premium segment. However, like many high-end vehicles, it comes with its share of reliability concerns that potential buyers in the United Kingdom should be aware of. Let us start with one of the most common issues: the air suspension system. Many owners report failures in the air springs and compressors, often leading to a sagging ride height or uneven stance. These problems can arise after around 80,000 miles, and repairs can cost upwards of £1,500 at a specialist garage. Despite these suspension woes, the CLS class excels in ride comfort when everything is working smoothly, thanks to its adaptive damping. The cabin is a highlight, with premium materials and advanced tech that still feel modern today. On the positive side, engines like the 3.5-litre V6 offer a great balance of power and efficiency, delivering around 30 miles per gallon on motorways. Wiring issues are another frequent headache for CLS owners. Faulty wiring harnesses, especially in the engine bay, can cause intermittent electrical failures, such as dashboard warning lights or malfunctioning sensors. These problems often stem from exposure to heat and moisture, and diagnosing them might require a trip to a Mercedes-approved service center, where costs can exceed £800. That said, the CLS class boasts impressive safety features, including multiple airbags and stability control that earned it high Euro NCAP ratings. Its all-wheel drive variants provide excellent traction in the UK's variable weather. Overall, the build quality is top-notch, with a chassis that handles corners with poise and confidence. Transmission troubles occasionally crop up, particularly with the 7-speed automatic gearbox. Some drivers experience rough shifting or hesitation, which could be due to faulty valve bodies or software glitches. Repairs might set you back about £1,000, but regular fluid changes can help prevent these issues. On the brighter side, the CLS's styling turns heads even years later, with its flowing lines and distinctive LED headlights. Interior space is generous for front passengers, offering a luxurious experience on long drives. Fuel economy is respectable for a car of this class, especially with diesel options like the 2.1-litre unit that achieves over 40 miles per gallon. Engine reliability varies by model, but the petrol V8 in the CLS 500 can suffer from timing chain problems if not maintained properly. Owners have noted rattling noises indicating chain stretch, leading to expensive fixes around £2,000. Preventive maintenance, such as timely oil changes, is crucial to avoid this. However, the performance from that V8 is exhilarating, pushing the car from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. The optional AMG packages add even more thrill with enhanced brakes and suspension. In the UK market, used examples start from around £10,000 for higher mileage models, offering good value for luxury seekers. Brake wear is something to watch, as the powerful calipers on sportier trims can eat through pads quickly. Replacement sets might cost £400, and rotors could add another £600 if they're warped. Regular inspections during MOT tests can catch these early. Positively, the CLS class handles British roads beautifully, absorbing potholes better than many rivals. Its infotainment system, while dated now, was ahead of its time with features like satellite navigation. Reliability improves in later models from 2014 onwards, after some factory updates. Rust can appear on the underbody, especially in salted UK winters, so check wheel arches and sills during inspections. Protective undercoating helps, but neglect can lead to costly bodywork repairs exceeding £500. Always opt for a pre-purchase inspection from the AA or RAC. That being said, the CLS's resale value holds up well, thanks to Mercedes' prestige. Comfort features like heated seats and climate control make it ideal for year-round driving. Many owners praise the quiet cabin, which rivals executive saloons from BMW or Audi. Fuel pump failures have been reported in diesel variants, causing starting issues and potential breakdowns. Replacing the pump could cost £700, plus labor. Keeping the fuel filter clean is a simple way to mitigate this risk. On the upside, the diesel engines are torquey and refined, perfect for effortless overtaking on A roads. The CLS Shooting Brake Estate version adds practicality without sacrificing style. Prices for well-maintained estates hover around £15,000 in today's market. Oil leaks from valve covers are not uncommon, leading to a messy engine bay and potential fire risks if ignored. Gasket replacements are relatively affordable at £300, but catching them early is key. Mercedes, engineering shines in the smooth power delivery, making every drive enjoyable. Interior electronics like the command system can glitch with age, freezing screens or losing Bluetooth connectivity. Software updates at a dealer might fix this for £200. The premium audio options, such as Harman Kardon, provide an immersive sound experience that enhances long journeys. Exhaust system corrosion affects models exposed to harsh conditions, with replacement parts costing up to £1,000 for the full setup. Catalytic converters are prone to failure in high-mileage cars. Despite this, the exhaust note from performance models is delightfully throaty. The CLS class offers a unique blend of coupe aesthetics and saloon usability, appealing to those who want something different. Its handling is sharp yet comfortable, thanks to precise steering. Fuel costs are manageable, with petrol models averaging 25 miles per gallon in mixed driving. Cooling system issues, such as radiator leaks, can overheat the engine if not addressed. A new radiator might run £400 installed. Regular coolant flushes every 2 years help maintain system health. Positively, the car's aerodynamics contribute to low wind noise at speed, ideal for motorway cruising. Optional night vision and adaptive cruise control add to its tech appeal. In the UK, insurance groups are reasonable for a luxury vehicle, starting from Group 40. Battery drain from faulty modules is a subtle problem, leaving owners stranded with flat batteries. Diagnostic scans to pinpoint the culprit cost about £100. The 12-volt battery itself is durable, lasting up to 5 years with proper care. On the good side, the CLS's boot space is ample at 475 litres, swallowing luggage for weekends away. Rear seats fold for extra versatility. Many drivers appreciate the commanding driving position and excellent visibility. Timing belt concerns apply to some engines, though most use chains. Ensure service history shows replacements if needed. Costs for this can reach £1,500. The overall drivetrain is robust, providing years of reliable service when pampered. In conclusion, the Mercedes CLS-Class C218 suits discerning drivers who prioritize style and luxury over bulletproof reliability, perhaps executives or enthusiasts in the UK seeking a used premium coupe for around £12,000. It is perfect for those willing to invest in maintenance to enjoy its refined performance and elegant design. While issues like air suspension and wiring demand attention, the positives in comfort and presence make it a worthwhile choice for the right owner. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.